Once among the main religions of India, Buddhism was ousted from the land of its origin around the 12th century Common Era due to the dominance of Brahmanic Hinduism. However, since Baba Saheb Ambedkar embraced Buddhism in 1956, the religion has seen a great revival in the country. Mass conversions take place each year, especially from the Dalit ranks of Indian society, as it promises to free them from the oppressive shackles of caste. Buddhism also began as something of a rebellion against the excesses of Vedic religion many centuries ago, and its message and philosophy can be found in the sacred Pali texts called the Tripitakas. The word Tripitaka means three baskets, and it refers to three classes of texts considered sacred by Buddhists. They contain all the teachings of Gautam Buddha, which were passed down verbatim in the oral tradition for centuries. These were collected and consolidated in the written form in the 4th Buddhist Council of the Theravada tradition held in Sri Lanka in the 1st century before Common Era. The Tripitakas are a vast repository of Buddhist thought collected over the many years that Buddha lived and preached. The three main sections are called Vinaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka and Abhidhamma Pitaka. Broadly speaking, the Vinaya Pitaka expounds the rules and regulations of the monastic order or Sangha. The Sutta Pitaka is a collection of sutras or easy teachings for the lay followers and householders, and the Abhidhamma Pitaka has all the higher esoteric teachings. The Vinaya Pitaka, in addition to laying out the codes of conduct for monks and nuns, also enumerated ways of managing the Sangha, its internal laws, and so on. It has 5 books which can be classified into 2 major sections, namely the Sutta Vibhango and the Khandaka. The Sutta Vibhango has 2 books called Parajika and Pachitya, while the Khandaka includes 3 books named Mahavagga, Chulavagga and Parivara. The Sutta Pitaka has 5 major divisions or Nikayas and a total of 34 books. The Digha Nikaya has 5 books, the Majjhima Nikaya has 3, the Samayutta Nikaya has 5, the Anguttara Nikaya has 11, while the Khuddaka Nikaya has 15. The Jatakas or popular stories from Buddha's past lives are also part of the Sutta Pitaka. The Theri Gathas or songs of nuns, which are perhaps the largest collection of women's poetry from that period, also belong to this Pitaka. The Abhidhamma Pitaka is a collection of the highest teachings of the Buddha meant only for advanced practitioners of the faith. Its language is highly esoteric in nature and seldom understood by the lay reader. It contains 7 books including the Dhamma Sangani, Vibhango, Dhatu Katha, Puggala Panyati, Kathavattu, Yamakam and Pattanam. Other than the Tripitakas, which are canonical in nature, Buddhist Pali literature also comprises commentaries known as Atthakathas, sub-commentaries called Tikas and sub-commentaries called the Anutikas. Together, they have preserved the wisdom of the Buddha that is as relevant today as it was in ancient India.